Hello, everyone. This is Sherry with PalletToPalette, and I am here today to go over how important it is to clean your mirrors and lens and how to take it apart and put it back together. Now, the machine that I am using is my OMTech 2435 80 watt. This is what it looks like when I take the nozzle off, and I have the two rings, the white ring and the silver ring, and the lens, and then I have my wipe there. Now, you off to the right, you can see the hose there. That hose is what was connected. That's my air hose, and I just was able to unattach that by popping in that blue washer looking thing that's attached to the nozzle, and I was able to pull that hose out and then twist the nozzle cone off, and that's what houses the lens. So once you have all of these things done, now I apologize for my crappy looking lens changing towel. It's an old kitchen towel that I just keep in my studio for when I do change or when I do clean the lens in the mirrors, because I don't want that lens to fall out of my hands and I don't want it to hit something hard. Um, so I put this towel down before I take that apart and disassemble the lens. So after I have all of that ready, I open that wipe, that lens cleaning wipe. It's a Zeiss wipe, I believe, and I start cleaning my mirrors. Now there are three mirrors. One is in the circle of the laser head housing. Okay, so one is there, and you want to make sure you get that cleaned. The other is all the way to the left of the gantry. You want to make sure that you clean that one. And then there's one way in the back of the left-hand corner. You need to clean that one. And then you need to clean the lens. Now, when I the first time I did this, I was so confused about which way to put the lens back in. Concave, convex, blah, blah, blah. But you're putting it in upside down because you're putting it in a thing that's upside down. And it was just really crazy. So here's a simple way, okay? You're putting it in your cone. You want to see a small reflection of you in that mirror when you put that down in your cone, okay? So that's what you should be looking at. If it's a large reflection of you, it's in the wrong way. So you want to put it back inside of there, noticing a small reflection of you, and then you can put the silver twist ring on top. That all holds the lens in place, and then you can screw that cone, excuse me, cone nozzle head back onto your laser head. All right. Like I said, when I first started, it really was difficult for me to remember which way this went. So this was the easiest way for me. And I did find a video that I think that I watched a few years ago that gave me this information. So I'm just passing it along. So have a great day. I hope this helped someone. And thank you so much for watching.